Hello everyone, in previous video I told you how to log in your WhatsApp web. In this video I'll tell you how to log out. So this is your screen, right, of your laptop. Now we are doing this from your laptop. How to log out from your laptop? So you click on the three dots, right? It also was visible on your phone, right? The three dots. You click on the three dots and one tap on log out will help you to log out the WhatsApp of your phone from here. So two times you have to click on log out. One by clicking on the three dots and you get an option of log out, the second last option, and then here is an option where it is confirmed that are you sure that you want to log out, right? Or you can use another feature which is app lock, and as you have intention of logging out you tap on log out the second time, right? And then it will start loading to log out, and in this period you are not suggested to switch off your laptop, right? So do not close this window, right? So that's how we do it. See you in the next